Hi friends, welcome to my channel Jai Padmacharaj. Today let us see how to prepare whole wheat bread. We'll make it with the ingredients we usually find at home. The healthy way to eat this bread is to combine it with either peanut butter, almond butter and honey. In the coming videos I will show you how to prepare almond and peanut butter. Required ingredients for this recipe are wheat flour 500 grams, sugar 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, yeast 1 tablespoon, oil 50 ml and water 500 ml. Let's start the procedure. First thing to do is put yeast and sugar in warm water and stir it well. Don't use water that is very hot, otherwise the yeast will die and won't bulge. Now keep this mix aside till the volume doubles. Now that the yeast has doubled, let's prepare the dough for it. Now in the wheat flour, add the yeast mix, oil and salt and mix it well into a dough. We need the dough to be soft, so add more water if required. By doing this, the bread will be softer. Keep the dough covered with a moist cloth for 1 hour so that the dough will be double in volume. Take the dough and tuck it into a round ball as shown in the video. To avoid dough sticking to your hands, dust the dough with wheat flour. Partition the dough into 2 parts for 2 breads. I will show you 2 ways of rolling the bread. The first way is Flatten the dough up to the width of the bread tin. You can vary the length, but make sure the width matches the width of the bread tin. After flattening it, roll it as seen in the video. Now grease the bread tin with ghee or oil and dust it with flour. This prevents the bread from getting burnt. Make sure that the tucked part is kept at the bottom. This helps to avoid any breakages in the bread. The second way of rolling bread is fold the dough from all the four sides and then roll it. The length should be the bread tin size. To remind you again, make sure that the tucked part is kept at the bottom. Now cover these doughs with a moist cloth and keep it aside for 1 hour so that dough fills the tin. Now the dough is ready to be baked. Before keeping it in the oven, coat it with milk and it will keep the shine on the bread. Now you can keep this prepared dough in the oven. Bake it at 180 degrees centigrade for 35 minutes. Now the bread is ready. You can take it out of the oven, but be careful, the oven will be hot. One important thing is you need to keep the bread on bread cooling rack or elevated surface like this, otherwise the base of the bread will become wet. Now wait till the bread cools down. Here I have kept the breads in two different bread tins, that's why they have different sizes and shapes. We can see the bread is soft and spongy. Now we can cut them into even sized pieces. That's it friends, the bread is ready. The best way to store bread is put it in Ziploc bag, or you can tie a plastic bag so that it is airtight. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel at Jai Padmajaraj and also click the bell icon so you receive updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.